everyone. This is Corbin with My Tennessee Home Solution. I'm sitting with Tim and Carol McVeigh. We're at the closing table here in Gallatin, Tennessee, and we had just closed on their property that we bought from them in Nashville, Tennessee. What was the situation that y'all were in that made you reach out to us in the first place?
Well, one of the main things is I didn't really want to have to deal with hassles of a regular realtor. And so I thought, well, I see commercials on TV. You guys are one of the companies we talk with the cash buyers situation. I talked to several, and you guys came in with the best offer. And that was, I guess, the main thing that started with is we appreciate the clarity of what the deal included, and there was no hidden fees, and that actually ended up being no hidden fees. Everything was straightforward from the beginning to the end.
Yeah.
And it was easy to work with you guys. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And I guess you kind of hit on it a little bit, but how did it go versus what you had expected?
For me personally, I kind of expected just from my first phone call with Jeff, I believe it was, that things went like he said, and it went smoothly. So it met my expectations for one, and then I was pleasantly, not surprised, I don't know the right word, but I was glad, I guess, that things worked smoothly. And there was nothing, you guys were straightforward from the very beginning.
Okay.
There were no surprises or anything like that.
And that's what I was worried about is we might get here and there might be some hidden fees and we got to do that what you said.
Yeah, it's a common concern.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so you think if you had to do it all over again, you'd probably give us a call again?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, fantastic. Well, we really do appreciate you guys trusting us with this chapter of your life and allowing us to be part of it. And please honor.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
And if this resonates with anyone at home and you want to start the conversation, you got a property here in Middle Tennessee, do not hesitate to give us a call. Our number is 615-637-SOLD or visit us at mytennesseehomesolution.com. Thank you.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.